Yeah, we can create our own API keys for our webhooks, and I'm going to show it to you now. So I think everyone are aware of webhooks, how it works and all, but few people don't know how to add API keys for it. So why it is useful? Well, you can use this for security purpose. Like let's say you are adding this webhook URL at the back end of your website or your software that you are creating. But if you are sending sensitive data through your link, like people can notice that and hack your data and steal it from you. So I think setting up an API key for your own webhook is very useful, and I'm going to show it to you now. I have seen so many YouTube videos on webhook tutorials, but no one has shown you this before. But I will do it for you now. So let's test this webhook URL first. So for this, I will go to Postman. I think you guys are all aware of Postman. It is used for testing out all the APIs. Yeah, let's send a request. So I will paste the webhook URL I just copied, and I will test event, and I will send the request. Okay, workflow was started, and we have captured all the details from the Postman, and yes, this webhook is working. And this is the knowledge most of the guys have. But I will let you know how to set up a security by keeping the API key so no one can authorize it. So you can see here authorization, right? So just keep it to header auth. And we need to create a new credential for our header auth. So create a new credential for the name. I think you guys have seen how API works and how we integrate it, right? So I will show an example here. So this is an API documentation from Anymail Finder. As you can see, it always had a header of authorization and your own API key. So this is a must if you are creating an API key. So I'll copy this, I'll paste it over here, and the value is our webhook. So I will just uh, keep the value as 98765. Cool. I think you can see here 98765. This is our API key. Save it. Okay, now we have created our own API key for this webhook. Now let's test it. I'll copy this once again. I'll go to Postman and I will paste it. And I will send now. Okay, I forgot here. Is that, yeah, send. Authorization data is wrong. Now people can't authorize without your permission, without your API key. So let's test it out by keeping our API key in the header. So go to headers, and the value is API key, right? Which is 98765. And the key is authorization. Where is that? Okay. I'm gonna copy this and paste it over here. And now let's test it out. Listen to test events and yeah, send the data. Yeah, the workflow was started. So with this, by setting up your header auth API key for your webhook, it is safe, it is secure, and you can use it anywhere, and no one can authorize it without your permission, which is without your API key. Yeah. So yeah, use this technique and method for security reasons and all. And yeah, I will be uploading more tutorials on N8N or any kind of AI automation stuff. So subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more updates.